Every voyage relies on the stable operation of critical equipment. Equipment failures rarely happen without warning. Before abnormalities occur, changes in equipment vibration, temperature fluctuations, and performance degradation all leave important signals behind. Winorca Sense Predictive Intelligent Maintenance System, powered by dual engines of OT plus AI. It transforms equipment operational data into predictive and actionable maintenance insights by integrating equipment mechanism models and deep learning, together with intelligent analytics and sensing technologies. The system continuously monitors the condition of main engines and critical equipment. It enables real-time condition awareness and accurate health assessment, providing early risk warnings and supporting intelligent decision-making. Moving from reactive maintenance after failures occur to proactive maintenance before failures happen. Winorca Sense helps ship owners and ship management companies reduce the risk of unplanned downtime, improve equipment efficiency, and ensure safer operations. Winorca Sense, predicting the future through intelligence, protecting every voyage with smart technology.